Welcome back to Math Solver 1117 where math become easy and fun. In today's video we will solve Olympiad math problem that is 7 raised to power x plus 7 raised to power x equals 140. You have to find the value of x. So we will solve this question as we will apply this formula that a raised to power x plus a raised to power x equals 2a raised to power x. It's mean that 7 raised to power x plus 7 raised to power x will equal 2 into 7 raised to power x, that equals 140. Now 2 is multiplied here, it will be divided. So 7 raised to power x equals 140 divided by 2. Now in the next step, 7 raised to power x equals, when 140 is divided by 2, we will get 70. Now we will take log on both sides to find the value of this x. So log of 7 raised to power x equal log of 70. Now we will apply the property of log. According to that, x power will be in the start. So x log of 7 equals log of 70. Now in the next step we will solve this as, here this 7 is log 7 is multiplied, it will be divided. So x equals log 70 by log 7. Now in the next step we will solve this as, by taking the LCM of 70, we can write this as log of 7 multiply 10, and this is divided by log of 7. Now we will apply the product rule of log. According to that, when two numbers are multiplied and log is applied, it will be added. So log of 7 plus log of 10 divided by log of 7. So we get x equals log 7 divided by log of 7 plus log of 10 divided by log of 7. So x equals log of 7 divided by log of 7, it will be cancelled out and we get 1 plus log of 10 divided by 7. Now in the next step we will solve this as, write this as x equal 1 plus log of 10 divided by log of 7. So now again split this. 10 can be write as 5 multiply 2, its prime factors. So log of 5 multiply 2 divided by log of 7. Again here we apply the product rule. According to log, it will be added. So we get x equal 1 plus log of 5 plus log of 7, log of 2 divided by log of 7. So in the next step again log 7 will be divided. So x equal 1 plus log of 5 by log of 7 plus log of 2 by log of 7. Now again we will apply the base rule. So by which we get x equal 1 plus log base is 7 5 plus log base is 7 2. So this is the value of x. Now we will do the verification, is our answer is correct or not. So for verification, substitute the value of x here. So 2 into 7 raised to power x means 1 plus log 7 5 plus log base is 7 and 2. So it will become, split the power. So 2 dot 7 into 7 log 7 5 multiplied 7 log base is 7 and 2. So it will become 2 multiply 7 multiply 5 multiply 2. So 5 twos are 10, 10 sevens are 70, 70 twos are 140. So it's mean this is our right answer. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also hit the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another Olympiad math problem. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned.